Daytime, I'm Marinette. Just a normal girl with a normal life. But there's something about me that no one knows yet. 'Cause I have secrets.
Alejandro will go to the today.
You're not gonna stalk him, are you?
Yes.
Stalking is bad, Emily.
There he is.
This looks nice.
See Procephanol and ethical. He's coming. Phew, that was close.
Ugh, I gotta do dumb stuff today.
I will give him this letter because it's his birthday today.
That's nice.
Oh wait, how can I get to his house?
I don't know.
As Baguette, yes, I'm smart.
Don't use your miraculous for personal use.
What's this letter? It's from Emily, then why did Baguette bring it here?
Emily asked Baguette, of course.
Or what if it's Emily?
Something went wrong with the timeline.
Come with me.
Whoa. This looks so cool.
Don't touch anything. Put this on so we can fix the timeline, okay?
Okay. I can't see now.
Good. Come here. Remove the helmet and catch the Akuma.
The city is in ruin. Moda Noir?
Little kitty on the roof without his buggy.
What is happening? Let me check into the past.
Bestie.
What?
I told Alejandro I love him.
Oh my God, girl.
In a letter though.
Oh my God, but also why you have tied your hair.
I felt like it. Moda Noir?
I'm Cat Blank, now Buggy. Your little kitty was in trouble. Would you give me your miraculous to fix it?
What? No. I will be safe in here, I think.
Emily, give me your miraculous. If you love me, give
What?
me it.
How do you know my name?
Let me go forward.
Really?
Forward.
What?
Mega Cataclysm.
Ah. Oh no.
Lucky Charm!
kettle?
This sword is disappearing to our future is changing.
Goodbye, Mrs. Edwards.
Hoplag claws out. Catechism.
You're Moda Noir?
Wide.
Sit Motanoir is your son.
What?
My arm started to disappear.
We found you, Dark Moth.
This is your mother, son.
What? Aha! F a cataclysm.
Don't do it, Coda.
I'd she really loved you, she would let you do it.
Sorry, my princess.
Sorry, my prince. An eraser.
Fast baguette.
Oh, I know.
Emily?
You still remember who I am, Get me before I send him the letter. Also, who are you?
In Bunix, Emily also great idea.
Wada. Miraculous baguette.